Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a guide on the best Shopify store design for one product. We've recently been getting a lot of questions about the best Shopify themes and setups for single product stores. And it does make sense because when you're first starting out, focusing on just one great product allows you to really refine your branding, marketing, and operations, instead of getting overwhelmed by a giant catalog of items. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can capitalize on a great product idea, how you can showcase it properly on your Shopify store, and why it is a great idea to have a single product store. Let's dive right in. So now, a lot of people might be wondering, why even go through the trouble of creating an entire store around only one product? And the answer is that stores that focus on a single product or narrow range of products related to one niche can work incredibly well for a lot of reasons. First of all, it allows you to really concentrate your brand image around the core product that you've chosen. From the design element, piece of copy, marketing visual, it all can tie back to selling that one great product. And this consistency and focus really resonate with visitors and establishes trust. Additionally, visitors appreciate stores that specialize in one area rather than trying to be everything for everyone. It shows dedication to quality and service related to that specialty. Also, the simplicity of the catalog and shopping experience reduces choice anxiety and friction in the purchasing process. With just that one product staring at them in the face, it's an easy decision for customers to click and add to cart when they're actually interested. A lot of the mega brands right now actually started out as one product shops. This is one great example, and doing that allowed her to dominate the shapewear space before adding complexity. So if you've got a hero product that solves a real need for people, then doubling down using a dedicated one product store could be the way to go. And now, when you're planning out this focus store, you will want some inspiration on how to really effectively showcase just one product. And so I'm going to be using an existing single product store for inspiration. I've recently come across a great example just the other day while browsing Instagram. I noticed an ad for a skincare startup called Lumen that offers a personalized men's skincare subscription service. And when I clicked through to their site, I realized that they were essentially a one product shop. Their whole website was devoted to getting men signed up for this monthly skin regimen kit. So I'm going to be analyzing some key areas about how they set up their own Shopify store that we can learn from. So as you can see right at the top, they have a strong value proposition statement, letting male visitors know that this kit will provide premium care to repair and clean your skin. Using words such as premium elevates the perceived value of the product. Next, they include logos from GQ and Men's Health. This builds social proof and credibility for the quality of their offering. And they immediately display a trial bottle with an option to sign up. So with virtually no scrolling or clicking, I can already start the purchasing process frictionless. If you scroll down a little bit, you can learn all about the ingredients and benefits. They answer common questions and generally build confidence in how great this monthly kit will be. And since it's a subscription, continuing the sales process beyond the first order is part of their model. So they don't clutter their site with tons of additional products, just their main kit and some few related items that people might want to buy after getting the kit. Of course, I love using sites like these for inspiration. You can break down what's working and then apply it to your own one product Shopify store. And now, since we have an idea of how our base model of a website should look like, we can head back to our admin dashboard onto Shopify. And if you haven't created an account yet, then of course you want to head over to shopify.com and then start your free trial. Once you've created an account with Shopify, you will be granted a 3-day free trial. And then after that, we will have to buy one of the Shopify plans right here. And I highly recommend that you don't miss out on the current best offer, which you can get any one of the main memberships for only $1 a month for your first 3 months. You can find a link in our description for the offer, so definitely go ahead and grab that. And once you've created your account, you'll be redirected to the admin dashboard, which looks like this. And from here, we want to customize our free Dawn theme for a single product. Most people recommend starting with the free Dawn theme when building out your initial store. It's very flexible and easy to tweak. And of course, Shopify keeps it updated for performance and security. So to access the theme editor, we want to head over to the admin dashboard, select online store and then themes. And then you will see the current theme that you have equipped. If it's not Dawn, then you can go ahead and download it. It's free to use. Click customize and let's start adjusting the look and feel. However, as you can see, without any changes yet, Dawn provides a super clean, modern design. We'll want to keep this minimal kind of aesthetic, but let's start customizing it for showcasing a single star product. And the very first thing that I like to do is that change the top banner image. Out of the box, Dawn has some abstract graphic, and we can replace this to feature our actual product for sale. You can upload your own lifestyle images that show the product being in use, and I recommend that. However, I'm going to be grabbing a royalty-free picture that relates to the product. And having a related kind of image really makes the product the center of attention, which is exactly what we want, and we've also seen it in action with the Lumen website. After that, you want to swap out the default announcement text with something more salesy and specific to the product. Feel free to come up with your own compelling headline. And now skipping down the page, we can showcase featured products, and by default, Dawn shows a random assortment of the products from your own catalog. And obviously you want only your solo product here or any related items. So under collections, select the custom one that you set up just for this product, and then we'll increase the height or adjust it so that it looks nice and prominent. So just at this point, with a few tweaks, we already have a great on-branding landing page for our own one product store. And visitors see the lifestyle shot first and then can instantly view and find out more about the product for sale. And from here we can only keep enhancing it. You can add a custom text block where you can convey the most important value propositions, details about materials and craftsmanship, maybe any unique technology that your product has, anything of value to persuade the visitors about what an amazing kind of product that they will own once they purchase it. And beyond that sales copy section, think about what other key information needs to be communicated. Can you embed a product video? Are there sizing guides or tutorials to properly set and use your product? Of course, add and style these sections as needed. And lastly, don't forget basic but critical store pages like an about section so customers can learn about your product's background and passion. This connects on a more emotional level with the viewer so that you can actually convince them to buy. So again, as you could see, setting up a single product store on Shopify does not really take much time, and it is up to your own creativity to add more stuff from here on out. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.